From the next road trip, greetings! Discover the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a mobile masterpiece that redefines luxury and adventure in a unique behind-the-scenes glimpse. The company's latest motorhome, which has an aerodynamic design that blends powerful, modern aesthetics with historic Chevy elements, is a fantastic example of Chevrolet's ongoing commitment to innovation and durability. Its sophisticated exterior conceals its enormous V8 powerplant. It might be a gasoline-powered V8 with 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, and 629 newton-meters, 464 lb-ft, or a 6.6L Duramax Turbo-Diesel V8 with 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 1,322 newton-meters, 975 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're driving up the mountains or down the interstate, these engines with a fast 10-speed automatic transmission provide you the strength and efficiency to tackle any road trip. Upon entering, you are greeted by a modern, ergonomic dashboard that optimizes comfort and control. A sizable, maybe 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, an excellent sound system, and simple navigation are among of the key selling features. All of the crucial driving data is shown on a completely digital instrument cluster behind it. Every component, from the upholstery to the trim, has a luxurious appearance when traveling thanks to high-quality materials and conveniently located tactile controls. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's interior is designed to be a spacious, multifunctional living space. Because of the open-plan design, the living area, kitchen, and bedroom can all coexist peacefully. High-end materials like leather seats, hardwood floors, and elegant metal or carbon fiber accents adorn every nook and corner. A motorized slide-out function expands the living area when parked, giving you unexpected space. The massive panoramic windows offer stunning views in all directions, and the ambient LED lighting can be changed to continuously create the perfect atmosphere. After a long day of travel, the master bedroom offers a tranquil retreat. Its comfortable queen or king-size bed and plush mattress provide a restful night's sleep. A spacious closet with sliding or folding doors may provide plenty of storage space, and bedside tables may include USB charging ports and Wi-Fi. Your free time is improved with a personal entertainment system that comprises a comfortable reading lamp and a flat-screen TV. The bathroom of this 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome was designed to be both stylish and useful. There is a full-size shower with a rainforest showerhead and enough water pressure, and a glass door makes moving around simple. A large mirror with integrated lighting, a ceramic toilet with a powerful flush system, and an elegant sink with a high-end faucet are examples of luxurious amenities. Functionality is achieved without sacrificing appearance thanks to creative cabinet storage and easily cleaned, moisture-resistant materials. Get ready to prepare delectable meals in this thoughtfully designed kitchen. Among its luxurious stainless steel features are a house-sized refrigerator and freezer, a microwave and convection oven, a multi-burner gas or induction cooktop, and a huge double sink. Sturdy, solid-surface countertops are not only functional but also stylish. The soft-close bottom drawers and generous storage space in the upper cabinets keep all of your kitchenware neat and organized. When driving a 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, having fun on the journey is more vital than reaching where you're going. Having as many experiences as possible is the aim of this mobile home. Are you ready to go on your next journey?